Holiday marketing to clients, referral sources, and targeted neighborhoods. I'm going to go through a few ideas to give you that you can do right now. It's not too late for getting clients before the holidays, during the holidays, and even after the holidays. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, email marketing. Super cheap. Do it. Yes, here's an example of a template. Picture of Santa Claus cleaning carpet. We've got a couple of variations of this, but the big thing is letting them know how they're going to have a cozy, clean holiday and how you're going to help them do that. A little bit of a special offer included in the email. And here's another one. We've actually got a postcard along these same lines. Before and after cleanup, last chance for holiday cleanup. The big thing is you're going to help them not be embarrassed by ugly holiday stains, not be embarrassed by an unclean home. That's what you're there to do. That's really the reason why they're hiring you, really, for the holidays. And so give them a special offer, talking about your guarantees, that type of thing. We have the templates for all of these things inside of the Ad Club for emails, to where you actually only have to go in one spot, one time, put in your logo once, your phone number once, your website once, and then the entire next year, actually the entire next 2 years of emails are already completely done for you. There's nothing else you have to do except for set them to be sent out. Upload your client list and set them to be sent out. Already written, pictures already there, already done. If you want to adjust them, you can. Very customizable for that type of thing. So emails. Yes, I also recommend text messages. We're going to jump into that in just a second. But postcards, and even maybe a holiday greeting card. We're going to show you an example of one of those in just a second. So what is the holiday all about? It's all about gifts, getting gifts, giving gifts. So why not have a few set gifts that you're giving your past clients? And the thing is, it doesn't have to be anything huge. It can just be something really light. In this case, this is a postcard that we send out. It's actually got rounded corners to kind of look like a giant gift card. And then on the other side, we have special gifts. Don't get bogged down with what the gifts are. Give as big of a gift as you want, or as little of a gift as you want. It might only be 10% off their next cleaning that's available in January. Sometimes that was a really good offer. I'm going to show you an offer for rug cleaning that we did for that in just a second. But giving them a gift card is great. Who does this type of thing? Nobody. So the thing is, I've always learned that you want to go out and you want to catch attention by being different. So this is something different. Again, neighborhood marketing. In other words, we've used this through EDDM or even buying a list and mailing to specific mailing lists in key neighborhoods that you want to target. But a large postcard, basically letting them know that their friends just got cleaning and here are 3 free gifts for you. Again, don't get bogged down with the gifts. Do as big of a gift or as small as a gift as you feel comfortable with. But the big thing to keep in mind is these are very targeted neighborhoods that you really want to hit. So you probably want to give a better gift than not as good of a gift, especially if it's in a really good area and you tend to get a really good client from that area. Now here is a postcard that we've actually used. This one's actually an EDDM, but it's the same kind of thing for the client postcard that we've done, where we offered free rug cleaning only after the holidays. We did not do this before the holidays. We cleaned 1 free rug, and there were a lot of exclusions for pet stains, that type of thing. And again, don't get bogged down with the service. You could do this for maid service. You could do this for even pressure washing if you wanted to, or any service. I used to go around in this Santa Claus costume and talk to realtors and property managers. And so they would go and they'd see my picture also to remind them and set that brand of me in that Santa Claus costume, passing out goodies and holiday treats. And I would put that in a postcard and send these to all the same people, all the realtors, all of the people that I would talk to. And a little bit of a whimsical poem on that side. And on the other side, a free offer of free rug after a certain date. And keep in mind, we didn't even send this postcard out until right before Christmas because we did not want to get inundated weeks before Christmas. Maybe a week before Christmas or something like that is when we would send this out. And it would pack our rug cleaning shop like crazy. Again, there were specific things that we did not cover with that. We didn't clean fringe. We didn't do a lot of extra things, but people would a lot of times bring other stuff in or have us do that extra service for an additional fee, that type of thing. And it turned out to be a really great offer. We never regretted doing it. It was a great offer. to current clients and realtors and people that we already knew. As well, a text message. Again, nothing for really an offer, but your best text message for this time of year, especially maybe a few days before Christmas, or maybe even a week before Christmas, not right on top of the holiday, maybe a day or two after the holiday, letting them know that, hey, we're here and I just wanted to wish you and yours a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, whatever you like to say. And if you need any holiday emergency cleaning, we're here to help. Just give us a call. Again, just more of a wish of happy holidays than anything else is a really, really good idea for a text message. We do also have Christmas cards that we can actually do. And by the way, we can even have these sent out for you. Our mail house works closely with us to be able to mail greeting cards like this and postcards. How much are they? It depends on how many that you're sending. Probably if you're sending at least close to 1,000 for the greeting cards, it's probably going to be around $1 a piece total. Don't quote me exactly on that because it depends specifically on how many you're sending out. We can send out the postcards like the ones that we just showed you, like over here, for about, if you're sending at least 1,000, for about 50 cents a postcard for this type of thing. And we can even send out less than that, but it goes up a little bit more per piece if we're only sending out a few hundred. So just let us know. We can give you some quotes on doing that. We only do those for our Ad Coaching Club members. The templates for all of these are also inside of the Ad Coaching Club. Here are some other variations of that same offer for clients too, where we did a rug cleaning and we actually required purchase and we actually did not require purchase. They both did really, really well. I would still do both of them today in my own cleaning business. If I still had a cleaning business, I would do both. I always pack the rug cleaning shop, but just to give you a few different ideas of different offers. We've also got some other holiday gift cards with different offer ideas. And again, the repeat message is helping them make a great first impression by this special gift that we're giving them. Different variations of the holiday this is an EDDM gift card. We can send out a giant gift card. I think it's a 6.5 by 9 inch. And we send this out to key neighborhoods that maybe we've been marketing to and really want to get in with. Again, another message for making a beautiful first impression, and other holiday postcards. This is a great one too, just before and after holiday cleanup, letting them know that that's what we're here for. And again, you can change the offer to whatever you want to change it to right before the holidays. We'd usually send this out around this time, and we would just give a very light offer of free cinnamon deodorizer, something super cheap to do. We weren't giving away the farm. This is another postcard, just explains the benefits of making a first impression, making that great first impression. And lots of just other ideas and variations of that type of theme and those different postcards. So all of these postcards are available inside of the Ad Coaching Club. Once per month, you get a free design where we customize this with your logo, your company information. Also, as part of the Ad Coaching Club, you also get access to the software to be able to text message people. You do have to pay, I think it's a penny per text. We give you a $20 credit toward that. Emails are actually free. You can send 300 emails per month for no charge. And then for another small fee, you can send as many emails as you want to send. But the big thing is all of the templates for all of these are already done. You don't have to write them. You don't have to write the text. You don't have to come up with the content. It's already done. All of that's inside of the Ad Coaching Club. It's not too late. Do some client marketing. Go for a big bang at the end of the year. The link is right below this video. If you have any questions, let me know.